Through the lattice of my prison, the sky unfolds. The lattice of my prison, the sky unfolds. Threads of sunlight weave tales on.
Okay, do you want to create a music like this with artificial intelligence? Stay with me and let's continue to create that with AI. Okay, welcome back. We wanna create a music with AI, Suno AI, and let's go to check website AI and see what's different and what is the option in the site. Suno AI music. Yup, Sono make music with AI. Okay, this is a homepage and first communication with this AI. Type any idea you have and create. Is simple for create music. We scroll it down. Mind-blowing sound quality. This is music for everybody and people to create it with AI, like that, and we wanna hear that. Yes.
In the morning, pour it black and hot. Ooh, coffee, my coffee.
Okay, another one.
It is the morning of my life again, and the wind upon my back seems to whisper, why go home when.
Okay, another. Half light ember. Okay, and scroll down. Everything you need to make music your way. 10 free songs daily for Planet Free. You can create 10 music and with Planet Free AI music generator, share with another, experience modern song maker, extract Steam, drop into your DAW, and export up to 12 times Alliance DAW. Started making music for free Planet, Pro Planet, and Premiere. This is option for free access version 3.5, but Plan Pro and Plan Premiere version 5 models. You want in create free plan 50 create rename daily 10 songs, but 2000 1500 credits of the 50 song refresh monthly. We work with this plan, and this is guys use this site Sono. Okay, let's go create a story for Rapunzel, and I like that music with animations. Let's go. Okay, this is my AI panels, and I create that by API and VS Code, and I receive and access ChatGPT 5, ChatGPT 4.1, Grok, and another. List my official models: Grok, DeepSeek, Gemini. I together this AI to manage my AI production. Okay, we get that. Get now music production. That is Sono Music choice. Okay, Sono Music, making music with covers and layers. From your packing limit, okay, to create music, describe your desired feeling and style, and Sono will press the song layers and cover. I'm type great prompt for a story and give Sono Music to that listening up. This is a tips for prompt writing prompt. You must editing more in your one message prompt AI, and again and again editing to have a give back a good result of prompt. Okay, we okay. This is ready to generate and see result. I press the button to render. Purposing the music text. I'm waiting for completed mission and writing music text, and after that completed sound and effect. Sono Music AI give you a banner or poster for your music. Okay, a melody from the tower. Create a romance and dramatic musical composition inside. Okay, this is a prompt AI. We write that and play music. After that, before layers. This is for voicing and text. Oh, this is two sign. Okay, we hear once.
Locked in a tower, high in the sky, a prison of stone where dreams come to die. Her golden tresses whisper to the breeze, a song of longing carried through the trees. But hope, it lingers, a spark in the dark, a flame that won't fade till the night leaves its mark.
Okay, not bad, but voice is from man, and I wanna change and edit to create with woman voice. Okay, and style will and see the music is with woman voice, and edit and confirm this prompt. Okay, I'm pause and editing prompt to generate young female natural voice around 20 or 25 years old, and until process this music, we listen to this music melody from the tower by these posters. Listen up.
Locked in a tower, high in the sky, a prison of stone where dreams come to die. Her golden tresses whisper to the breeze, a song of longing carried through the trees. But hope, it lingers, a spark in the dark, a flame that won't fade though the night leaves its mark. Golden tresses in the wind, calling to the...
Okay, this music is wonderful, dramatic and romance, but not with male voice. We need a young woman and a female natural voice to say my story. And this is text from singer. Okay. Oh, another one, and create and generate my music, and wanna listen to that. Okay, hurry up, we are listen.
The tower stands shadowed in the night, walls of stone, a thief of sight.
Not worked because Free Planet not very carefully and good results for us, but can be useful. Output, the down will come, but not just. This is a text and another two sang.
A tower stands shadowed in the night, walls of stone, a thief of sight. The moon whispers secrets, silver and shy, dreams scatter stars across the sky.
Okay, this is good and accept from me, and believe me, for free plan this is good, not is very bad. Okay, wonderful. And this is AI music with Suno. You can give a prompt from ChatGPT or your story. You write your story, and after that you must write a story and edit prompt again and again. This is a tip and trick from learning AI music or AI generate. Oh, transfer music. Another music is me. Okay. We created 1, 2, 3 sing music. Okay. Let's up to hear that.
So my prayers in the sky unfolds, threads of sunlight with tales untold. A breath of wind carries whispers far, dreams that glimmer like a wishing star. A tower tall, my heart can find in the world.
Nicely and good for me. This is good result. We can edit more, and step by step is better quality and good effect that, but that is good for this video. For Rapunzel fearing Salah. Okay, listening.
Through Through the lattice of my prison, the sky unfolds. Threads of sunlight weave tales untold. A breath of wind carries whispers far, dreams that glimmer.
Okay, this song is dramatic and romance, but not voice with a female natural voice. This is a voice for man. Song of Tower.
Through the lattice of my prison, the sky unfolds. Threads of sunlight weave tales.
So amazing. I love it. This is wonderful and breathing voice. That is very nice voice and complected and let's go the last of the music we generate. We listen it. Hurry up.
Through the lattice of my prison, the sky unfolds. Threads of sunlight weave tales untold. A breath of wind carries whispers.
Romantic and dramatic voice, but not is use female natural voice, and I love it. Song of Tower with this poster, and this is prompt text music. All is well and all is one good. Okay, if you wanna create the Suno music, if you wanna create a music with Suno music, remember that you must try with great prompt and editing for your details and give back a good result, and most important, you need to point your details in your prompt. Okay, if you found it helpful, please subscribe and like. I'd really appreciate it if you give me that little push to keep creating better content for everyone, and especially for myself. Thank you taking the time to watch this video. Have a good time.